Okay, I'm about to walk down a path that only a few true San Franciscans know about it. So, let me show you the little path. You can just follow me to the path in front of us. Wow, it looks like no one's been through here for a while. Because you look all spooky. Well, this is going to be my first time in 3 years, so it's been a while, but I know my way around here well enough to navigate through any kind of landscape. Well, so much for that. That's going to be a problem, but we're just going to squeeze through. Good thing about San Francisco is that it's too cold to have spiders. So I hate spiders because in Taiwan spiders are everywhere. But now over here in San Francisco there's no spider. Well, there are some, but not as many. They're not everywhere. Phew, that was hard. So that's what we just got through. What are these white rocks? Huh. Well, here we are. This is one of the fort. Yeah, this is kind of a secret spot. Well, tourists won't come here for sure. Local, not so much. Maybe once or twice. Oh, cool. Look at that. So lots of work has been done since I was here the last, which is about 3 years ago. This is a popular spot among the skaters, the skateboarders. They like here. They shoot a lot of videos over here. If you check out skating videos, you'll see a lot of those, and this will look familiar to you. Hey, look at that. Interesting. Somebody keep their drinks fresh and clean. Okay, take it upstairs. Yep, no one's here. Just as pretty thick. So you see a lot of skating videos using these ramps to do tricks. I personally sing a lot of videos, but that's maybe it's the algorithm. So anyway, today is July 6th, April, man, August 8th, August 16th, because it's the day after my sister's birthday. So you can see that meanwhile it's really hot elsewhere. This is what we got going in San Francisco. Just the cold air. Huh. Somebody left donuts here. Okay. So, normally you will have amazing views from here. Let me show you. So you can see that the graffitis are everywhere. And no one's here for a reason, because this is hard to find. And you'll see coyotes over here. I used to always see coyotes here. And we'll see each other and just give each other the nod and pass on. That's how good of a buddies that we are. Me and the coyotes. Huh. Beer bottle, interesting. Cherry. Huh, it looks like no one's been here for a while. Wow. Okay, let me show you what we're looking at. Well, there's supposed to be Golden Gate Bridge in the fog. You can't see it because it's foggy. And I'm actually being dripped on by the fog. And the fog from the trees is dripping down, so it's like raining. Okay, that's enough now. 6 minutes.